Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2018 Subaru WRX. Stock number is A7009. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Taking a look down the passenger side, you have blacked out alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on those tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You do have a rear backup camera, and this Subaru is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this WRX on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.